Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Rejoice Onyenuchia. I'm glad you found me. I teach adults who are not computer literate how to use the computer and most importantly, how to make money using the skill. I want to be your friend. Please subscribe to the channel. You will see more valuable and interesting videos that will help you in learning how to use a computer, either a desktop or a laptop, and how you can make money working from home with your computer. I want to take a minute to walk you through what you'll be expecting from this channel. I'll be covering topics on how to use your computer, either desktop or a laptop, even if you have not used one before. I also plan to cover topics on Microsoft Excel, how to use one of the most used software in your computer named Microsoft Excel. You will learn from me how I make money selling Microsoft Excel templates from the comfort of my home. I'll also be sharing my knowledge on data entry skills and how you can use this skill to work as a freelancer in freelancer platform like Upwork, Fiverr, and freelancing.com. This skills is most used skills if only you know how to use a computer and either a desktop or a laptop. You can use this skill, data entry skill, to work from your home, offering this service in freelancing platform. Also in the future, I plan to cover topics on virtual assistants, the software, the skills, and the ability you need to have to offer virtual assistance services to business owners, foreign and Nigerian and international. You know, businesses are going digital and they don't really need someone working in their physical offices. So they prefer someone working for them visually. So that is what we call virtual assistant, someone that will be helping them visually in sorting out their products, emailing, and helping them with their WhatsApp. So in future, I will be teaching us how to offer services as a visual assistant, the software you need, the skills you need, and the ability that you need to have to work as a visual assistant. All you have to do to get notification when I put up new video is to hit the subscription button. So when I post new video, you will be the first to get the notification that I have dropped a new video. You have any topic surrounding computer literacy, Microsoft Excel, visual assistant, data entry, and you want me to cover the topic in this line, feel free to click the link in this video below. I will text you to my WhatsApp. Then you can tell me, and I will do this video based on the number of people that placed the request. So please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. You will not regret it. By subscribing to this channel, you will become a computer expert who knows how to use a computer to do anything. You will become a Microsoft Excel expert, offering Microsoft services to business owners, designing templates, and using different softwares to offer services to business owners, companies. In my next video, I'll be teaching us how to get started with using a computer. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.